parents, guardians, guests, visitors, fellow graduates, a fruitful afternoon. The youth is the hope of our future, whose Rizal once said. To my fellow graduates, today marks a momentous event in our lives. We are about to end an episode, our elementary school life. We studied in Caridad Elementary School so we can be equipped with sufficient knowledge and skills in preparation of important roles that we have to take part in society someday. Now, I am proud to say that we are competent and efficient in facing new challenges towards new horizons. Our alma mater shaped us with the experiences and learnings. Of course, we will not have been able to reach this stage without the individuals who helped us, and who, without any reservations, expecting nothing in return, guided us in our quest for knowledge. To our dearest teachers, especially to Sir R. J. Belmonte, Ma'am Maria Lilia Vicultura, and to my advisor, Ma'am Mary Clarence Sanico, who taught us not only context in books, but also real life lessons. No amount of words can fully express how much we appreciate what you have done for us. To our parents, who are always beside us since the first day in school, we share with you our first taste of victory. To my mama, who cannot be here today since she's working away, there will be more years of struggle. But I am confident that I will triumph because I have a mother like you. To my friends, Micaela, Marjorie, Loveline, Jill, Hazel, Danilo, Nicole, and Josh, thank you for the laughter that we share. Above all, the Almighty Father for the gift of life, the wisdom He bestowed upon us. To my fellow graduates, congratulations and see you to the next chapter. And once again, good afternoon and congratulations to each one of us.